How to make money on YouTube without making videos. 8 highest CPM niches. Normally, if you start a YouTube cash cow channel on any niche, YouTube pays you almost $1 to $10 for 1,000 views on each video you post. But if you start a cash cow channel on the highest CPM niches, then you will be able to generate 10 times the revenue. What about 20 to 50 CPM? Or what about getting $100 to $200 CPM per 1,000 views? Honestly, I'm not even kidding here. I've selected all of these niches and listed them here after working on hundreds of different channels and after doing some extensive research. Also, I've shared all the demo and example channels of each and every topic as well. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Appreciate the value of content. Please leave a like and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Also, I would like to ask you a question. What niche are you currently working in? I will read every comment. Online business. At number 1, we have an online business niche where you will teach your audience to make money online or maybe share your personal experience as well. You can start a cash cow channel in this niche easily. Now don't get me wrong, you don't have to be a billionaire or a millionaire if you earn more than $1,000. You are still eligible to share your experience and start an online business. Now if you go to YouTube and write online business, you will see people post content on a variety of topics. You can do the same. You will get a CPM of around $25 to $100. If you go to YouTube and search BRKO Banks, this person is posting simple tutorial-based content and teaching people about different methods and fields to make money online. E-commerce softwares. E-commerce is something when you sell products online. Either it's dropshipping or any other e-commerce model, it's a good niche to get started with. But I'm talking about e-commerce softwares, not e-commerce modules, like where we market our products and build the audience. We use different softwares such as landing pages and plugins, etc. So you can start a cash channel on e-commerce software tutorials, like how to build funnels, etc. If you go to YouTube and write ClickFunnels tutorial or Shopify tutorial, you will see people are actually working on it. You can even start a whole cash cow channel around this topic. You will get a CPM of around $100 to $250. Now, I couldn't find out the demo channel for this niche, but that doesn't mean you can't start working on this niche. Consult with cash cow managers who know how to do things in a better way. Number 3. Technology. The next niche is technology. In fact, it's a sub-niche of technology known as Tesla. Yes, you can start a cash cow channel on Tesla or any upcoming future cars company. At this time, you can see the Tesla Future channel on my screen. Literally, you can replicate or model the whole channel by paying cash cow managers. They will do all the work for you. You will get an average CPM of around $30 to $50 per 1,000 views. Stock market. Stock market is one of those niches that are very popular and has the highest CPM. You can build a cash cow channel on that easily. For instance, you can check out the channel Cash Gains Academy to know further. They're sharing simple tips and tricks of investing along with the latest news and updates about the stock market. It's so easy to model that niche and start a simple YouTube channel on it. This niche has a CPM of around $30 to... Number 5. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are one of the best and most popular topics right now. You can start a cryptocurrency channel if you have a good knowledge in this field, or else you can hire a cash cow manager as well. You can start a channel on any one coin, maybe like Bitcoin, altcoin, or any other you want. You can share coin news, predictions, or anything else. And if you don't want to work by yourself, you can hire cash cow managers. They will do all the work for you. For instance, you can check out the channel known as Altcoin Daily. This channel is doing very well. The average CPM you will get from this niche is around $50 to $100. Money and finance. Money and finance is a broad topic, but you can start a channel like Practical Wisdom. They're posting videos about money, comparing rich and poor people. Animator explainer videos are among the evergreen niches of YouTube. I'm absolutely sure they're getting around $30 to $50 CPM. Moreover, as they are in animations, people used to watch these videos till the end. This niche gets a lot of engagement rates as well. Number 7. Luxury cars. Now this is another best niche to remodel and start a cash cow channel on. I'm talking about luxury cars, where you can compare different car models, showing your audience the best luxury cars. Now if you go to YouTube and open a channel known as Car Tops, you will see it's doing very well. The Car Tops team is posting simple videos, as you can see. The average CPM of this niche is around $70 to $100. Luxury houses. Actually, are the specific and sub-niche of luxury topics. However, you can get a good CPM of $50 to $100 on this niche. If you want to work on this niche, it doesn't mean that you actually need to roam around your area looking for a luxurious home. You can start a cash cow channel in this niche easily by hiring reliable cash cow managers. All you have to do is pay them a reasonable amount. They will do all the work for you, and at the end of the day, you will start making big profits. You can start a channel like King Luxury. As you can see, this channel is posting videos around luxury houses and car collections of billionaires, millionaires, etc. You can do the same as well. That's it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you're searching for trusted cash cow managers, you can DM us on Instagram as well. We own several teams, high quality content, and build automation channels for you. Also, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell notifications. See you next time.